Zeerust in South Africa's northwest province is experiencing one of the driest seasons in over a century, and farmers are feeling the heat literally.
There
is a severe drought here by us because we don't have food for the cows. We have to buy them food and it's not raining. When it doesn't rain, there are more problems.
Kato Metze, a farmer, says she spent close to 10 years building her herd, but now she's had to lay off 8 workers on her farm in the past years to curb operational cost. She, like many other farmers, has already sold off some animals to help cut the losses.
I have sold some already, but I always sell off calves. They're the ones that bring in some money so that I can buy feed to feed the ones left over.
South African livestock farmers were urged by the government to cut the size of their herds as drought conditions suck moisture out of grazing land. Livestock auctions are now held once in a week in the northwest province, with farmers selling off their cows for as little as $70. Some of the animals arrive in such bad condition that they never make it to the auction pen.
It's better off getting a few rents for your remaining livestock as to opposed to them dying due to drought and lack of rain and stuff. So it's better off selling at a lower price than getting nothing out of your remaining livestock.
There's no price. We just throw them away here. It doesn't help to not sell because they are just dying anyway. That's why these auctions are happening.
Experts warned that the current El Niño weather phenomenon would peak between October and January and could turn into one of the strongest on record. Authorities have earmarked some $32 million for drought-affected regions, but officials fear it may not be enough to stem the damage in the hardest-hit areas such as Gauteng and the southeastern province of KwaZulu-Natal.
We're not worried about the financials for this year, and even the planting of this year. I think the finances has already been delivered and approved and everything else. So it's not about that. It is purely, are they going to have a harvest next year? Because if they don't going to have a harvest, then we're going to have 3 years of underperforming rain, and that is when the trick starts. Because that will be the 4th year, and that is normally when the trouble starts.
The drought is expected to push down livestock and meat prices, but bring up the cost of maize, which is South Africa's staple, thereby hurting the poor and rural households. Officials have promised to send water tankers to farms and relocate some livestock to state-owned land where there are better pastures. Leslie Marungu, CCTV.